In this video, I'll show you how to run Premiere Pro script files with Captioneer. I'll show you how to apply transitions to clips and then remove them all at once with a script. I've already transcribed this timeline and inserted Mogerts with Captioneer. We can come up to transitions and drag a transition down between two of the Mogert clips. When I scrub over this, you can see that the dissolve transition is working on the Mogerts. We can come down and select a different transition, like cross zoom. This is an easy zoom transition with no keyframes. Or push, and this will push from left to right. Or whip, and this will push from left to right with motion blur. To apply a transition to all our clips at once, right-click that transition and click Set Selected as Default. The transition now has a blue highlight around it. We can select all our Mogert clips in the timeline and hit Shift-D on the keyboard to automatically place our transition on all our Mogerts. I'll play this back.
Here at Sunday, it's not like, hey, it's Jesse's vision and that's it, and they all work for me. I have a vision, but my vision is a mixture of everyone here's vision.
And we can see that transition working. But to get rid of the transitions, we have to select and then hit delete one by one. If you have a big timeline or a lot of transitions, this would be really tedious. So instead, we can run a script file with Captioneer. I'll open up my Downloads folder, and in here I have a JSX file containing a Premiere Pro script to remove all transitions. We can drag and drop it onto the Captioneer panel, and that will instantly run the script and delete all transitions in our timeline. We even get a pop-up that says how many transitions were removed. I'll hit OK, and now when we scrub through this, you can see that there's no transitions anywhere. I'll go back and select Cross Dissolve as the default transition. And this time, I'll select all the clips in my timeline, including footage. I'll hit Shift-D, and that applies the Cross Dissolve effect to all our Mogerts, but also all our footage and our audio. We can see all those transitions in the timeline. I'll open my script again and drag and drop that JSX file onto Captioneer. And just like that, it removed every single transition in our sequence on Mogerts, video, and audio. When I scrub through, all the transitions are removed and we didn't have to click them all one by one. Let's play this back.
Here at Sunday, it's not like, hey, it's Jesse's vision and that's it, and they all work for me. I have a vision, but my vision is a mixture of everyone here's vision.
So that's how you can run custom script files inside Premiere. Here is the code inside the JSX script file, and I'll include this as a download in the description. If you want to write your own Premiere Pro scripts and save those as a JSX file, you can write those from scratch and run them in Premiere by simply dropping them onto the Captioneer panel. This is super powerful for extra automation inside Premiere Pro.